Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the coursework content for PhD in Faculty of Technology if you take admission in any of the colleges under University of Mumbai. So let's get started with the video. The very first course that you're supposed to do in the coursework is called the Research Methodology course. This is a 6-credit course. Mostly it will be taken by the faculties of your college. If not, they might also suggest you to take this course online through NPTEL. The second course is the course suggested by the guide. Remember, this is going to be a domain specific course. This is also for 6-credit course, and I will explain in detail how I have completed this 6-credit. Finally, you have the seminar or a presentation which is also domain related, and you are having 4 credits for this. I'm going to make a dedicated video for seminar how you're supposed to give it. So do check that out on the YouTube channel. In this video, let's discuss in detail the course that is suggested by the guide for 6 credits. So what I have done here is, due to the ongoing pandemic, what we were suggested is to do 2 courses from NPTEL for 3 credits each. So I have taken digital image processing, which is a 12-week course, which is for 3 credits. Remember, these are PG level courses. So whenever you are opting for any course, do check the UG or a PG level. Since you are opting this for your PhD coursework, it is always suggested that you take a PG level course and not a UG level course. So please keep that in mind. The second course that I've opted for is called Deep Learning. This is also a 12-week course for 3 credits. So in this way, I've completed 6 credits. Let us now discuss the NPTEL credit scheme. For example, in NPTEL website, if you check, there are various courses for 12 weeks, 8 weeks and 4 weeks for 3 credits, 2 credits and 1 credit respectively. What many people have done is they have taken one course for 12 weeks, which is for 3 credits, and they have taken one course for 8 weeks, which is 2 credits. And this plus 1 credit can be given by the college depending on the extra work that you're doing with respect to that course. For example, if I take a 12-week course for 3 credit and if I'm doing some extra work in that course, then I can get 1 credit by the college, and then I'll take a 8-week course for 2 credits, which in total will give me 6 credits. Or either ways, you take 12-week course of 3 credits and do a 8-week course of 2 credits plus fetch 1 extra credit by doing some extra work on this course. So accordingly, you can opt. What I have opted for is 3 credit course, full-fledged for 12 weeks, which gives me 6 credit. So as I mentioned, due to the ongoing pandemic, we were supposed to do this online course, but if this was really not the case, then University of Mumbai suggests that you do a course in IIT of Bombay for 6 credit, or you can do a PG course at any PG center under Mumbai University, that is for 4 credits, and do some additional work by the guide for 2 credits. So either do this, a course in IIT of Bombay, or take a PG course under any center that is within Mumbai University, and then do some additional work for 2 credits. So let's just check in brief what this additional course for additional work for 2 credit is. So additional work by guide for 2 credits as suggested by Mumbai University is as follows. You can do a minimum of 4 assignment problems from your domain area. This will be given by your guide. Or you can do a PG lab course under any Mumbai University PG labs, or you can do 1 course project, or you can do 1 simulation based project using a software tool. So it could be MATLAB or Python or any of that sort. Even in antennas, you have so many simulation projects going on. So you have to do any one of these to get 2 credits, and then do a PG course theoretically at your PG center, or take a straightaway 6 credit course from IIT Bombay. So this is how you can do domain related course or course suggested by guide and complete your 6 credits. For research methodology 6 credits, please do check the YouTube channel that I am going to give a complete series on this. Seminar and presentation, as I mentioned, there's going to be a dedicated video coming up very soon. So do check that out as well. If you're here till the end, please do consider sharing, liking and subscribing this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.